Is your Samsung TV remote not working or responding? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step to the most effective fixes so you can get your remote working again in no time. Step 1. Check the batteries. First things first, always check the batteries. Weak or dead batteries are the number one reason why a Samsung TV remote stops responding. Remove the batteries from the back of the remote. Insert a fresh set, making sure they're properly aligned. If your remote still doesn't work, don't worry. Let's move to the next fix. Step 2. Power cycle remote. Sometimes a remote just needs a quick reset. Here's what you do. Take out the batteries. Then press and hold the power button on the remote for about 10 to 20 seconds. Now reinsert the batteries and test again. This clears out any temporary glitches that may be stopping your remote from working. Step 3. Check the remote sensor on TV. Your Samsung TV has a small sensor, usually at the bottom or lower center of the TV. Make sure nothing is blocking it, like dust, decorations, or even direct sunlight. Clean the area gently and try pointing the remote directly at the sensor. Step 4. Repair the remote for smart remotes. If you're using a Samsung Smart TV remote, it might need to be repaired. Point the remote at your TV. Hold down the return button and the play/pause button at the same time for about 3 seconds. You should see a message on your TV that says the remote is connecting. Once it's paired, test it out to see if it's working properly. Step 5. Test with phone camera. Not sure if your remote is even sending signals? Try this quick trick. Open the camera app on your smartphone. Point the remote's IR sensor at the camera. Press any button. If you see a flashing light on your phone screen, that means the remote is working. If not, the remote itself may be faulty. Step 6. Factory reset the TV, last option. If you've tried everything and the remote still isn't responding, it could be a TV software issue. You can reset your Samsung TV to factory settings. Just keep in mind this will erase your settings. To do this, use the physical buttons on the TV or borrow a working remote to navigate to settings general reset. Conclusion and call to action. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your Samsung TV remote that's not working or responding. If nothing works, you may need to replace the remote altogether. If this video helped you, make sure to give a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick fixes, and share it with someone who might be struggling with their Samsung TV remote.